In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in OneNote. If you want a simple way to organize notes, highlight important items, or mark things you need to come back to later, tags are a very useful feature in OneNote. They help you quickly label specific lines of text so your notes are easier to scan and manage. To begin, open Microsoft OneNote online and go to the page where your notes are located. Make sure you're on the exact page where you want to apply a tag, because tags are added directly to the content on that page. This is especially helpful if you're working with meeting notes, to-do lists, study materials, or project planning notes. Once you're on the page, click anywhere on a line of text. This step is important because OneNote needs to know which line or section of content you want to tag. You don't need to select the whole paragraph unless you want to. Simply placing your cursor on the line is enough in most cases. If you're tagging action items or key reminders, try to click directly on the line that contains the information you want to mark. Next, look for the Tags option in the OneNote toolbar and click on it. This opens the Tags menu where you'll see different tag choices available to you. Tags are designed to give visual meaning to your notes, so depending on what you're working on, you can choose the one that best matches the purpose of that line. After opening the Tags menu, choose a tag from the list. As soon as you select one, OneNote will apply it to the line of text where your cursor is placed. This makes it easier to identify important notes at a glance. For example, you might use tags to mark tasks, priorities, ideas, or follow-up items, depending on how you organize your work. A helpful tip is to be consistent with the tags you use. If you always use the same tag for the same kind of note, your notebook becomes much easier to review later. It can save time and make your information more structured, especially when your notes start to grow. That's all it takes to use tags in OneNote. Open your page, click on the line of text you want to label, select tags from the toolbar, and choose the tag you want to apply. Once you start using tags regularly, you'll find that your notes become more organized, more searchable, and much easier to act on.